There would be times where we want to reorder the numbers in this ordered list in Google Docs. So here's what happens when we hit the enter key after the row which says 6. It automatically says 7th, whereas for this particular scenario I would like to get 14 instead of 7. So how to get that? And that's where you just have to simply right click on this space and say restart numbering and choose the number that you want. Simple. And that continues from 14, and then you can keep getting this in the order. Here's another example. For February, I would like to start this from 1st onwards and not 18. So all I want to do is simply right click here, restart numbering, and say 1, and done. That's it. There's another way, a little long short way, which is if you don't find this restart numbering on your right click, simply go to the format, bullets and numbering, list options, and you will find the restart numbering here. That's it. I hope this video helped you. Thanks.